Hey guys, welcome back. Are you ready for another spoiler for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for November? Let's start with spoiler number 8. The SL Miss Glam Eyeshadow Brush Trio. And now spoiler number 7. And that's the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Puffing Cream. Here's spoiler number 6. From Tarte, the Make Every Moment Count Cheek Palette. This is a 3-pan cheek palette with 3 versatile blushes, 1 shimmer, and 2 mattes. And number 5, the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Now this cream is a luxurious all-over-the-body cream that absorbs quickly to help visibly tighten the appearance of skin. Now, if you haven't seen the other spoilers or would just like to review them again, then here you go. Now, here's a review of spoiler number 1. From Ofra Cosmetics, we have the Rodeo Drive Highlighter. And if you have not tried their highlighters, they are amazing. And for spoiler number 2, we can never have too many palettes. So here's another one from It Cosmetics, and that's the Naturally Pretty Volume 1. And now spoiler number 3. And that is a product from First Aid Beauty, and that's a face cleanser. I haven't tried any products from this brand, but I hear so many good things about it. Spoiler number 4. From Makeup Geek, a foiled lip gloss with a metallic finish. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and it has a 6-hour wear time per application. You will receive one of 4 shades, and they retail for $12. Now this one's my favorite. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. Let me know your thoughts about the products so far in the comments below. Until next time, have a blessed day.